Rest in peace, Lil Fat, free my nigga Boosie, Trill for life.
I bet y'all ain't gonna set it off.
So you bucked up and fucked up and you ain't got no mind. My chopper turned this party to a fucking second line. I left my booking class and them niggas stole my rhymes. Now we rapping about the same shit at the same fucking time. Free my nigga Boosie, rest in peace to Lil Fat. And if you try to play me, then I'm going to get my strap. And it's loud, I smoke strong, smell it all through the pack. Either you roll with us or you diss us. If you diss us, you get left. I talk this cause I'm bout this. Got straps on straps on straps. So AKs and 4.5s, and I got Glock 9s and they clap. This real life, no movie shit. Real talk, no rap. Them hoes, yeah, they love me. I got my CD on my back. RIP to my granny, man, they need to give her back. Hit them all, then ball out. I got racks on racks on racks. My body ass oofed up. I got tats on tats on tats. I do too much dirt to be fucking with them rats. If a nigga snitch on me and then it's click clack and then his brain splat. Haha, hold up, let me catch my breath. Look, check it out, I'm about to go in again. Had to catch my breath cause I got some bad lungs. Always got an extra shirt cause I be smoking strong. Got too many hoes, I need to leave them hoes alone. Cause when the time come around, the one I want, she gon' be gone. Niggas, yeah, they fake, so I don't fuck with them features. Hit a nigga at school, he went and ran and told the teacher. All the hoes I fuck with, all they call me is a cheater. I just want a little Amber Rose and Wiz Khalifa.